You guys, I got a package in the mail today. I am super excited. Let's check this out. Welcome back, everyone. I gotta keep this kind of quick because I accidentally let the battery drain, and I really need to get as much of this filmed because I want to take one of the items that's in this box to work because I do work in automotive, and I kind of want at least one car that is fun for me to be on my desk. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing open and show you what the contents are, but we're not going to do an unboxing of all the contents of this package today. Can you sort of make out what we're looking at here? First off, we do have a couple of the Series 29 blind bags. We've got three of the girls' bags and then one of the boys' bags. But we're going to go and look at these in another video. So that's coming up soon. But today, guys, we are going to be taking a look at this. Oh, I'm so happy about this one. As you can clearly see, we are taking a look at the Playmobil Volkswagen T1 Camper. This is one of the new mini rigs that came out for 2026. One of four vehicles. I think they have a Ferrari, a Porsche, a Ford F-150, and then this Volkswagen camper. And it only fits one Clickie. It does include a Clickie. But yeah, these are going to be much smaller than the average Playmobil vehicles. And I do like this one because I honestly, they're all priced at 20 bucks right now, but I think you get more for your money with this one. So that's why I made this one the first one that I got. So looking at the front of the box, it's very simple, not a whole lot going on here. We do have the picture of our camper, and you can just barely see the driver inside of it, but it has two mirrors sticking out on the side, and we have our surfboard there on the top. The bottom right corner has a picture of our Clickie. He is in his summer gear, as he should be in this sort of vehicle. It's pretty synonymous with beaches and surfing and stuff like that. Here's the right side of the box, just mainly showing the Volkswagen logo here and stating that it's a official licensed product of Volkswagen, as well as some legal information for Playmobil. The other side has the top view of our Volkswagen camper with the surfboard prominently displayed right there in the middle. Here's the top, here's the bottom, here's a picture, or pictures of the other cars. The Porsche's on the bottom there in the yellow, Ford F-150 here in the blue. Here's our camper, and then we have the Ferrari in red on the top here. So enough of the box details, let's get this thing opened now. Here is our product insert with the instructions on how to assemble our camper, and it also has our parts numbers. Here's the sheet of stickers, pretty cool, mostly flowers, a couple of words like flower power, love, and peace. I really like this one right here, the little surfer dude, like a surfer crossing sign here. That's gonna look pretty cool if I choose to use it. Here's our new Clickie friend. I really dig his shorts. I just realized that he's got the Playmobil face logo here on his pants, right here on his right leg. Pretty nifty. That's kind of a cool little and subtle design and a little added feature there. It'd be kind of cool to see this on other Playmobil products moving forward. Dude even has a little bit of a hairy chest. Nothing, as you can see, printed on the back of the clothes. I do dig the hairstyle. I'm glad Playmobil finally decided to get something a little bit more ethnically accurate. But guys, I think I'm ready to get this van assembled. What do you think? Let's do it. Okay, here it is before we put any stickers on. Pretty simple to assemble for the most part. These tail lights were pretty simple. These blinkers were a little bit difficult. They tend to slip out of your hands, but my hands are extremely dry and it's kind of chilly out in the house actually right now, so they kind of slipped through my fingers a few times. The mirrors were pretty easy to put in. They just simply slide into this peg hole right here. The passenger side one did not go in all the way. I had to literally push it in with my fingernails, and that kind of hurt a little bit, but it's in there now. The rubber band straps for the roof rack are very simple. The interior is pretty simple, as you would imagine, since it only is big enough to hold one Clickie, but we do have a little bit of cargo space in the back. The roof, of course, was pretty easy to install.
But now let's get our stickers on.
I'm pretty much going to use the same stickers that they used on the box here to guide me. Is this the only one? Okay, there is a smaller one, but I like this more colorful one. I just don't know if it's going to fit. I don't want the sticker to overlap. It's going to overlap, but nothing too bad. Okay, I can deal with that. Here we have the front of the van with our love sign and a peace sign. And here we have our little Volkswagen van all decked out with our flower power and peace signs decorating it. We've got the little crosswalk sign that I liked over here. Here's the back license plate. It just says Volkswagen T1 Bully. We got a few of the flower stickers here on the back, kind of blending in almost with the blue. And then we have the Aloha Surfer decal over here. And if you look closely, you'll see the Playmobil logo right here, and it's actually on both sides. We zoom out to reveal the license plate here. As you can see, it says PM for Playmobil, 25 for 2025, and then 71857 is the set number. And here we have our Volkswagen van complete with stickers and our Clickie driver in the driver's seat. You can barely see him, as you know. This is not that big, so you kind of have to search for him a little bit here. But he's in there. Just a little side note, there is no pullback action. You can't release it and expect it to go on its own here. There is no pullback feature at all for this. Yeah, either way, this is cool. I do like the fact that they came out with these. I think they're great because they're affordable for people that don't want to spend $40 or more dollars. You know, some of these cars or vehicles altogether can cost about $100 or more, and that's not fair to everybody, because not everybody can afford to pay that much for a Playmobil toy. So I do appreciate Playmobil for downsizing a little bit, so to speak, with their vehicles and making them just as fun but more affordable for families and kids that are into the hobby and want to play with these toys. I think everybody should be able to have fun with them at their fullest capacity, to the fullest extent, and having the vehicles and play sets to go along with your Clickies is definitely a way to do it. So kudos to Playmobil for thinking of that, if that was the intention. If they just wanted to go ahead and make smaller vehicles just because it looks cute, well, they accomplished that too. And I added a little hippie figure next to our van because they are kind of synonymous with each other. I really dig this set, and I actually can't wait to get the Ford truck, just because I used to work for and own a Ford myself, and I've always admired the body styles of those vehicles, and I'd like to add that Ford to my collection here. So we'll be hopefully getting one sometime in the future for us to unbox and enjoy. But until then, guys, that is it for this Playmobil unboxing and review. I love the set, and I hope you did too. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. I hope you guys are ready for some Series 29 clickies. I sure am, and that video is coming up soon. So until then, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Everybody have a great day, and we will see you next time right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.